So we're coming to
right onto Riverview Parkway.
Riverview Park and RV Resort here on the banks of the Mississippi, around Vidalia, Louisiana, right across the river from Natchez, Louisiana. Oh yeah, Jen's quick to point out Natchez, Mississippi, not Louisiana. So anyway, we're gonna be seeing our friends Lane Kristen, Miss D, Blake and Eric, and of course the kids, Jack and Liam. Ooh, okay. I guess there is just one way in right there, huh? Coming to the check-in. Lots of folks. All right. Jen's finishing up in there. So we're on site 86. We'll come down there around to there. All right. Fairly level sites. Didn't have to block too much. Pulled it out, no problem. First try. Slide out. Oh yeah. There's D's. Rockwood. Eating us some fish this evening. Fish cooker going. Cherry what?
So it's gonna be a few more years.
Like, give me landslide or something like that.
Oh, I said I would have gone there. I said, you know, back in the day, I might have been a
You're gonna get a Stevie hologram. She's due to die any day now.
Oh God! Kristen's papa got some fish, so we have a fish this evening.
Yeah.
Oh, got a fish.
Yes, he identified that real quick.
Oh yeah, that's
Oh
so-and-so.
yeah.
Let me put you in touch with him.
Blake made some
I would be
homemade
understanding, but
tartar
I'd be like,
sauce.
well, what are you gonna do to make it right? Yeah.
That's a good good fish batter.
Because me, my first instinct would be like, well, let me. Roger.
Yeah, baby.
How long have you had that one?
About a year and a half, maybe.
That's why I need a bigger camper. I mean, she's like another body. I tell you what, I'm proud.
I got a cheaper one.
No, it
Brown
was
or
not.
black?
That
was
is
it.
not. That is not the truth.
That's the truth.
No, I would not have gotten.
I was at work. You were like,
would
which one am
not
I
have
getting,
got it.
brown or black? I'm like, fuck, black, I guess.
I had a good visit last night, and I think by 9 o'clock we shut it down. We're old, we're tired. We're drinking coffee this morning. I think today we'll go visit what we can go to Natchez, just kind of walk around, maybe hit Longwood or one of the little Antebellum homes. I think we're gonna ride our bikes up and down the levee here. They got a nice path too, so but it is super foggy. I don't know if y'all can see out there, but it's we're on the Mississippi River, so it's a lot of fog this morning. But it'll be a fun day. So can you tell what I forgot to do last night when setting up? Yeah, we could feel the stabilizers not being down last night, so Jen has me out here having to get them fixed while the bacon's browning up. There's a car show going on today. Maybe we'll get to see that, I don't know. Yeah, I heard them fire this up. We're like, what in the world is that noise? Yeah. Oh yeah. Not morning walk.
About 7. He was even blurry. Now it's clear.
Oh, look, hey, look, you see the fishing boat on top?
Oh, I thought that was
Cars? It did. Oh, are they doing the car show down there?
The old fog is lifting. Kind of see the bridge now. Got a little Mississippi River thing. So, got a little car show there. Got the little river cruise ship open in the front. '59 Oldsmobile, baby.
Found me a block and I put all the so it's a true 4-barrel 2.4 car.
Wow.
245 horsepower.
And then this little car, man. You can hawks her out. They're out, yeah. This past week or so, we see a ton of them.
Oh, nice.
The crew will come in this afternoon. So thank you, Ms. Harris, research, and hopefully to find a cure.
Yeah.
I'm going to ask my pastor. Friends for a long time. His mom works at the junior high. Those of you who are new.
Woody.
Pull that door open and look inside.
Look at this. Oh, that's amazing. That is so neat. Where did this come from? Like, what's the design? How'd y'all come up with this?
All right, I'll give you the short version.
Okay.
There's a really long version.
Uh-huh.
We enjoy cruising the coast.
Yeah.
My mother and father drove to Tennessee, all around.
Joe Wappy said it's all got it on the YouTube channel. We'll have to look at that. But he's just telling us how he built this out of his grandfather's house that had burned down. Had some wood left, and this is a Ford F-250 2008 chassis.
Hold it right outside of Baton Rouge. About 30.
Mustangs.
Jump right up on it.
Yeah.
1950s. And then Kristen comes around the corner.
Yeah.
He likes the end. He just likes away from people.
Here at the Longwood.
Chairs back there, man. That's wild, man.
So Jen's getting some family pictures of the Longwood Antebellum home.
Finished. Not sure. I know some of y'all have been here before, which drew in 1860. We're right here. There's the front door there. It would have been open air if they finished the house, although the bones of the house would have been. Don't want to be in one. No.
It's in about 45 minutes from here.
I'd see if anybody has my birthday.
The Natchez Brewery. Brewery? Okay. Natchez Brewing Company. Oh, there you go. Got the things here. Jen's ordering online on the online app, and then they deliver it to our table, because our table, so we scanned right here, and it knows where to, the workers know where to bring the food.
Like all just marinated in
So we got the chicken bacon ranch CBR pizza. Things. Shoot, we rode up on the levee right up here. So I'm talking about. Getting my ride on, my pre-dinner calorie burn. Heading back down the boardwalk here. Whew. I think it's a couple miles down, a couple miles back. I'm back up on our RV park. Just had a good visit tonight, and Jen and I are gonna watch a movie before we go to sleep. It's about 8 o'clock, and we get a little tired, so we won't stay out too late. Yeah. Getting our morning walk on. They had a good sleep last night and visited a little bit. Oh, Miss D's trailer flooded. She was trying to backwash it and didn't, I don't know, couldn't see if it was plugged or not. So anyway, they're trying to get that cleaned up. But so we're looking at the campsites for future if we ever came back. Looks like some of them actually have some trees, shade, which would be nice, in the hotter months. So I'll get a walk of the campground. So we're on the other loop opposite of where we were when we went into the right. Have a lot of mature trees, a lot more shade on these sites, just overall. So we're this was the heart of the action last night. All the golf carts, lots of folks hanging out, enjoying each other's company. So crossing back over to the loop we stayed at. There's some good little spots. I think I like this little end right here. Have some mature trees, a lot of shade, kind of on the end. It might be our sites of choice. Yeah, site 144. This would have been the one of choice, but it's a camp host, so it won't be available.
We tend to have more mosquitoes.
Like this, because it's got a little grassy area. We could be over there. Let the Webbs have this little spot and have a little central area. Big tree to shade us. Be a spot there to look at. 147, 148. I like this site 133. It's got a nice tree shade. 155 has some shade. Ooh, we really like this one. Those camp hosts. Oh, camp hosts get the best sites, man. 107 and 106 looks like a nice site too. Got some big shade trees. See how my water usage is, so if we start boondocking more, I'll have an idea of how much we're using so I can load up the fresh tank with the appropriate amount. We used 38.2 gallons with Jen and I would say liberal showers. I didn't stop it as long and lather up and redo it at the end to rinse off. So 38, 50 gallon freshwater tank, so it should be yeah, I think 40 gallons would cover most any time we're planning on going anywhere and boondocking, at least for the weekend. So we're trying to find a place to eat. It is Sunday morning, so it's difficult to find a place that's open. So we're coming down here to check out a couple places. Camp restaurant, and then Silver Street Gallery. Yes, there should be something called, what's that one called? Magnolia Grill. We parked here on the thing, Lafayette's Tour. That's pretty neat. We've never come down this little waterfront road. Have a little placard over there. This is the mighty Mississippi. We're fixing to come up. So I got the pulled pork sandwich here at the camp. Oh. Love this old downtown area. So this is called the Natchez Under the Hill area. Has a lot of the old buildings. We rolling out. It was a good week after we ate at the camp. Way over there underneath that bridge. We are heading out. Just reloaded the truck back up with the trailer. And we are exiting Riverview RV Park and Resort.